Have you ever found yourself tangled in the web of English grammar rules and exceptions? If so, you're not alone. English grammar, with its intricacies and idiosyncrasies, can feel like a labyrinth. One such maze is the present simple tense, a fundamental building block of the English language. Many learners grapple with this tense, confused by its various usages and exceptions. It's a common struggle, one that can make or break your language proficiency. But don't worry, mastering the present simple isn't as hard as it may seem. The present simple is one of the most basic tenses in English, and it's your key to unlocking the language. This tense is used to talk about things that are generally true, habits, and repeated actions. Let's break it down a bit further. The present simple tense is made up of the base form of the verb, or the base form plus s or es, for third-person singular subjects. For example, I run every morning, or she eats breakfast at 7. But it's not just about routines and habits. We also use the present simple to express general truths or facts that are always true. For instance, the sun rises in the east or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These are just a few examples, but they illustrate how the present simple tense pervades our everyday language and communication. So, the present simple is used to express habits, general truths, and repeated actions. Now you're ready to embark on a journey to master the present simple in 5 easy steps. Step 1 is understanding its usage. The present simple is used to express habits, general truths, and fixed arrangements. It's your go-to tense for things that happen regularly or unchanging situations. So, when you're talking about your daily routine, facts about the world, or a timetable for a train, you're likely using the present simple. The second step involves recognizing its structure. The present simple tense is formed with the base form of the verb for all subjects except for third-person singular, where an s is added. So we say I read, but also he reads. For negative sentences we use do not or does not before the base form of the verb. Questions in the present simple are formed by switching the subject and do or does. Step 3 requires practicing with written exercises. There are many resources available online and in textbooks to help you practice. Try writing sentences about your daily routine or facts about your favorite subject. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Step 4 is listening to the present simple in context. This could involve listening to English songs, watching movies, or even tuning into English news channels. Pay attention to how the present simple is used and try to mimic the sentence structures you hear. Finally, step 5 is using the present simple in daily conversation. This is where you take everything you've learned and put it into practice. Start by using the present simple in small, everyday conversations. For example, you might tell a friend about your morning routine or discuss a movie you regularly watch. Remember, it's completely normal to make mistakes while learning. In fact, they're a crucial part of the process. So, don't shy away from speaking out of fear of getting something wrong. Instead, embrace these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're your stepping stones to fluency. To wrap things up, it's time to revisit what we've covered today. We've delved into the intriguing world of English grammar, focusing on the present simple. This essential tense is used to express habits, general truths, and repeated actions. We've also unraveled the 5 steps to mastering it: understanding its use, identifying its form, practicing in writing, applying in speech, and finally, testing your knowledge. Remember, every language journey is unique. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll see your English skills flourish.